Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at Aprelo. Now this is a cloud-based application that uses artificial intelligence to generate high converting scripts, unique voiceovers, sounds or audios. This also comes with page builder, but this is a part of the upgrade. And yeah, before I'm going to show you the demo of this guys, how this works, how you can create, high converting scripts and voiceovers and audios. Let me show you first my bonuses. That way, if you would like to pick up Aprelo through my link down in the description of this video, yeah, you're gonna get an additional value of your Aprelo investment. My bonus number one, I'm gonna give you access, guys, to this script software. Now, this is a cloud-based. You can also install this on your computer. Now, what this can do for you guys, it's gonna allow you to edit audios, edit videos, screen recording, you can also, produce text to speech. And what really cool about this software, guys, is that you can turn your voice into text to speech. But basically, you would record your voice for like 10 minutes, and then once your voice is recorded, the software will then, generate the text to speech with your own voice. That way, you can, generate any kind of text with your own voice with the software, all right? And download your text to speech that generated with your voice, all right? That's my bonus number one. My bonus number two, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to Auto Video Creator. My bonus number three is I'm gonna give you access to Turbo GIF Animator. My bonus number four is I'm gonna give you access to Phazon Store Builder. Bonus number five, guys, I'm gonna give you access to VidMazon. I forgot to add the D right here, but this is VidMazon, alright? My bonus number six, guys, I'm gonna give you access to a premium text-to-speech software as well, which is VidVoicer. You can generate unlimited text-to-speech voiceover with this application, right? And then bonus number seven is all vendor bonuses. Aside from those bonuses, guys, you're gonna get access to these all bonuses right here. Bonus number one is copywriting expertise. Bonus number two, becoming an expert at copywriting. Bonus number three, article idea software. Bonus number four, 12 easy steps software copy. Bonus number five, all about writing PLR articles. Bonus number six, content 10 content PLR articles. 7 copy magic copywriting. 8 content creation traffic. 9 writing articles. 10 fast and simple article marketing. 12 magnetize your customers. 13 article 100 article ideas. 14 5 steps to profit. 15 automated email funnel, right? 16 the secrets of marketing. 17 100K a month business model. 18 simple traffic solutions. 19 email marketing blast off. 20 internet profit system. There are a lot of, you know um bonuses that you can also get, guys, with this with my bonuses, and you can get instant access to this inside of your account after your purchase of Aprelo. Now this is like, 89 bonuses that you can get instant access, and aside from this premium bonuses right here that you can get access as well, all right? So yeah, I'm gonna put a link with this document right here. That way you can see all the bonuses that you can get inside of your account when you guys use my link down in the description of this video, all right? So yeah, so those are all of my bonuses. When you would like to pick it up through my link down in the description of this video, when you click that link, guys, this will take you to a sales page that looks something like this. The headline says, imagine getting paid 49.64 over and over again with our new artificial intelligence web app using its unique text-to-speech and voice-over technology, right? You can generate high converting script or text and voice-over. Let me show you how that's done, all right? So inside of this application, so you'll be able to see this, total scripts, total voices, and total sounds. But to create our scripts, basically click on this script right here, and you'll be able to click a new script right here. And then this is where you add in the title of your script. So let's say sales letter, and then this is where you choose what type of script is that. It can be BSL script, email script, sales letter, new category, email subjects, something like this. There's a lot of script type that you can choose right here. But in this case, in this video, I'm gonna choose a sales letter, and then this is where you choose the template. So this one, introductory sales letter. Then click on next. And in this portion right here, you'd be able to add in some, fill in some information like your sender address, like your recipient name, and then your name, and then your recipient address, product name. You can put that right here. But basically, it's like a fill in the blank, template, and then you can click on generate script, and it will automatically generate that script for you. And this is a really high converting script that generated with this application. And you can just copy and paste this and start using this. Now to generate a voiceover, you basically click on new voice right here. And then this is where you choose a language, whatever language that you wanted to use. But just, in this video, just use this default. And then let's name it new voice. And then let's copy some text right here. All right, and then let's, synthesize the file right here. The voice version is unavailable. Let me choose a voice. I haven't choose a voice. Let's choose this one, and then click on this. All right, and that voice is generated. Now we can preview that voice over right here.
Being in the affiliate marketing business is not that hard now with the internet at your.
Now this is a kid voice, but you can choose any kind of voice. There's a lot of AI voice right here that you can choose from. That basically you need to test what kind of voice that is that you need for a specific product or services that you wanted to create using voiceover. Yeah, so that's how easy it is to create a voiceover. I'm not able to, to show you the sounds right here because it is part of the upgrade. But if you wanted to upgrade your account, so you'd be able to access this as well. Same with the page builder right here. I'm not be able to show you this page builder because this is part of the upgrade. And then the agency as well. And then the done for you are these are some upgrades if you wanted to upgrade your account, and just click on this upgrade button right here if you wanted to do that. But essentially, for the front end, you can generate scripts and voiceovers, and you can download all those scripts that you've written right here, and the voiceovers that you've created are right here. Just download this, and it's a really useful tool, guys, because you can also sell this to freelance marketplaces like Fiverr. Yeah, I think that would be in this video, guys. If you would like to pick it up through my link down in the description of this video, I'm gonna make sure that you're gonna get access to all of these amazing bonuses right here, especially this, premium bonuses that, I put a lot of time, putting this bonus bundle together. That way you can have an additional value and get great result with Aprelo. All right. So yeah, just watch this video right here, guys. Read the information on the sales page. And by the way, guys, this is only $16, and you are protected by 30 days money back guarantee. If you don't like the product, you can just refund your money and still be able to get access to all of my bonuses completely for free. This document, guys, is waiting for you inside of your Warrior Plus account. You can get instant access to this after your purchase of Aprelo. All right. So yeah, I think that would be in this video, guys. Just read the information on the sales page. I cannot read this because it will take us a lot of time. Just do that in your own time. That way you can have an informed decision if there's something that can really help you guys out. Thank you so much for watching this review, guys. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have. And here are some screenshots that a lot of people are making money with this right here. You can sell this kind of services to freelance. All right. So again, thank you so much for watching this review, and I hope to see you in my next review video. Bye. Love you.